Hi, my name's Scott Heron. I'm Professor of Physics and UNESCO Chair on Climate Vulnerability of Heritage at James Cook University in Australia.
Hi, I'm John Day and I work with Scott on the CVI. I'm retired, but I spent most of my career working in World Heritage at the Great Barrier Reef.
We understand that the Keep Scotland Beautiful workshop component of the broader climate assessment project led by Scottish Canals is currently underway for the Crinan Canal. We're very excited to have the outcomes from this workshop contribute to the Climate Vulnerability Index CVI workshop that's going to be happening in early September, and we look forward to coming across to Adrishag for that.
We hope we'll see many of you at our CVI workshop, and we'll also be having a public event at the end of the workshop, probably around about the 12th of September, and we hope we see you there.
And it's great to know that the outcomes from the work you're doing now are going to contribute across the project. Thanks very much, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye now.